Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop.
Oh man.
Alright, last time we had a 6th order with 312s. Now it's a 4th order with 2 XT318s.
Okay.
On an XL pancake.
How do you like it going from 6th to 4th order?
It's a different sound altogether, but
yeah.
I would have had to create a lot more room for a 6th order versus
For the cone area you're running, yeah. You built this?
Yeah.
Very nice.
I built this, it was a flat wall, you didn't get to see that.
So you had a flat wall before and then you went to bandpass?
Well, what happened, I was, let me cut some air on for it.
Oh, you're good.
I was about a half a cube under what I should have been. I was choking the subs a little bit.
Okay.
It was very loud, but it had one peak frequency and that was it.
Yeah.
And it wasn't moving no air. It was just...
That's a flat wall, usually. You'll get a good bandwidth on a certain point, and from that you lose out otherwise.
It ended up being a little, almost 3 to 1. Like 2.7, 2.8,
yeah,
something to 1.
And you're at 16 volts.
Yeah.
Wow. Can I see the amp in the back?
Sure, it's right there on the side.
Okay. So you built it all the way back?
Well, it actually stops right here. I would have had to continue on.
Oh wow, that's a big amp. This is the 8K or?
8. It's not even no hotter than what the temperature is.
So you either have 1/4 ohm or 1 ohm? Yeah. Okay. I would honestly run 1 ohm demo and then 1/4 ohm burp.
Well, 1 ohm was, I was climbing to 2.
Oh, you're only getting 3,000 watts. Yeah.
At a 1/4 ohm, climbing to 0.98 at 16.2 volts. I clamped 12,124 watts.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's a beast of an amp right there. Hey, thanks for showing me, man. Good hearing you. Yeah, the sun's hot. We bring the umbrella.
Oh, I don't blame you. I wish I'd have brought one.
Yeah. Like, get a tent, a truck tent, man. It's a good investment. A tent.
Oh, I've got one and I forgot it.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is JACOBVIRAL. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of his system. Pretty crazy to see him get this amplifier playing on 2 songs in this system video you're watching today. And I also put, this is the actual previous system demo he used to have with the 312s he was talking about. I put that link in the description if you want to see kind of his progression. So pretty impressed to see him fit 2 18s in a 4th order in this SUV. I was actually surprised to see how well this amplifier was handling 0.25 ohm, but it actually was cutting off during the demo. It got really dangerous actually because at first we thought the amplifier was popping and then it wasn't working, but then he got it resolved. So you're going to see that during the system demo. And if you notice the way he has his amplifier mounted on the actual side of the wall, so that means he utilized all of his space all the way to the back of his vehicle, and it kind of gives him more room to work with his system with the box. So amplifier cooling fan always is a better thing to do when you're able to as well for airflow. Always put it in a good area as well. It helps keep the amplifier cool. So 0.25 ohm demo, 2 songs. Do not recommend ever wiring this low. I like the way the actual box layout is and the actual cubic space that he has utilized in this system. And if you notice the way the subwoofers are inverted, there is a sealed section underneath of this enclosure with a ported 4th order right here in front of us at this view. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JACOBVIRAL, and enjoy this 2-song demo.
All right.
protect.
Are you wired? What are you wired to?
0.25.
Is that 0.25?
but it climbs to 0.98.
Oh, so you have to roll in at a certain cutoff point if you go too high.
And I think the output voltage is a little.
Yeah. So 0.25. So these are dual one,
Yep.
and you ran down to 0.25.
Yep.
Wow. Amp cut off because it's at 0.25, rising to 0.9. You demoed a clip and it shuts off. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button and like, and we'll see if this demo can get started.
Back on.
Yeah, after a certain point, it probably just cut off.
When I fire up, it's you mainly when you high up. Blue cook with the dollar cut. I what he want, tell him love I'm hella high, but real dope.
Definitely feels punchier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for showing me, man. Good hearing you. Yeah, the sun's hot. We bring the umbrella.